Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I am going to be working on an embellishment box that it's for a birthday challenge giveaway. So let's get started. I'll be using some papers from the Tropic Vacation, and this is what it looks like, and I'm going to try and keep it as flat as possible to make it easier for shipping. Okay, so let's see. I want to use I have some flowers that I had fussy cut in a previous project, and these are just the leftovers. So I think I have just enough. Let's see. Cut it right here. Get my paper trimmer. I'm going to put you guys on time lapse so that you don't have to get bored with me doing all these simple projects. So I'll put you on time lapse. Okay guys, so here's my embellishment box. I was supposed to add, what is it called? A tassel here, but I guess I will add that off camera. And I will also add the recipient name to the back, to the inside. I didn't want to add it now because I didn't want them to know who it was for. So this is some like fancy tool that was gifted to me by Alondra. So I'm going to share what I have left of it because I did use it on the box on the outside. So I'm going to share that with the person. I also got some of these puffy hearts from Miss June, and that was from a Happy Mail that she shared with me. So I'm going to share with her one of these puffy hearts, two of the puffy hearts, sorry. I also have some buttons, wooden buttons that I was gifted in a rack. This was last year. I think this was from Emily. These butterflies, little iridescent die-cut butterflies, are from Miss June also. So I'm sharing that with her because she gave me so much. So I figured I could share. In this box right here, I have a variety of paper clips I just have in my stash. And this one's a little flamingo paper clip. And then I have some erasers that were gifted to me from Rosanna. She gave me some popsicles and some mermaids. So I figured that would fit perfect with the summer theme. And then I got some rainbow erasers. You know, Miss Christian's Crafty Adventures shows us how to use these and turn them into charms. And then speaking of charms, I put a bunch of my Amazon charms that I hauled recently. And just wanted to share with her some of these nice little charms. And then there's two extra bow tie paper clips. I was thinking maybe I should put them in there. Then there's this embellishment, this butterfly embellishment that's from like the Maggie Holmes in ephemeras. So that was one. And then this crown is from Miss June. I'm going to share her one. I also have some flat back hearts that I got from Dollar Tree, and some flat back stars, like teeny tiny, also from Dollar Tree. And then all of this right here is from Miss June. She sent me so many of these flat back embellishments. This one's from my stash. We've got some cameos and some leaves, and those are all from Miss June. Thank you so much, love, for sharing all of this with me, and now I can share also with other fellow crafters. And then these little pearly accents are all from Miss June also. There's a bunch in here that I shared. She gave me so many. I figure I can pass some of them along to help put them to use. So those are all from Miss June. And then I have some gold and silver mini foam balls from Dollar Tree. And then I included a sequin mix, and because it was not so much left in my mix, I included some of these blue and pink jemmies that I received from Miss Gabby just recently, and some Happy Mail, and I figured those would be super cute for her to use. I also got these food picks from Dollar Tree with the little hearts, and they just look really cute in here, so I figured I could share some of that with her. And then I also included some of the blue and yellow trim that I used on some crowns that I made for this person, for the recipient. So I just gave her some of that in the embellishment box. So I'm just going to add these back in here, and it should fit perfectly. And close it up. Add my little tassel dangle on this side right here, and she wanted it fairly flat. So the only thing that's really dimensional but is very soft is this green tulle trim with the green polka dots. I figured I could add some dimension, and that would be nice and soft, and it wouldn't interrupt any kind of like organization or whatever. And all these ephemeras up on top, I hauled from Tuesday Morning, and this is from the On Trend 2 from My Mind's Eye. I don't know, I think it's On Trend 2 is the collection, and it's by Jen Allison. So I used some of that from there. And that is it, guys, for this video. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you guys subscribe and hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And come back for part 3 where I create a birthday card, hopefully using this same collection. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye.